G'day legends, it's your boy back with another unboxing video for you guys today. Just went and picked this product up from Super Cheap Auto. It is car related and it's going to help me get, hopefully, the Calais running better than what it is. So, because the item that it needs to cooperate with is currently not working properly. So, yeah, without further ado, let's jump straight into it. And what we're unboxing today is this bad boy. So, front of the box, side of the box, back of the box, and on the side of the box. So as you guys can tell, it's the CAROSS charger. So basically what this does is it connects to the battery terminals and giving the battery power if the battery doesn't have enough power to turn over. Because what you guys don't know is the battery in the Calais is in need of a recharge. And yeah, so I picked this up from Super Cheap for 160 bucks just then, used Afterpay. Afterpay came in with the clutch. But yeah, so it's the CAROSS 16,000 milliamp lithium ion battery, 12 volt starting voltage, 1500 A peak current, Model T18 Pro, 7 litre petrol, 4.5 litre diesel, portable jump starter, which is what we're gonna need. And more or less just has the starter, the case, and a few other bits and bobs. So let me just get my trusty scissors so I can cut this sticky part without cutting myself, because we don't want to do that. Alright, remember, safety first. If you're not at the age to do it yourself, get a parent or adult to do it for you. Alright, so now that that's done, I should be able to slot that piece out, which I have. Sorry, I've just slotted that piece out. And now, lift up the top. So the top is lifted, as you guys can see. And that's what you're first greeted with when you open the box. We're going to slide that bad boy out, nothing else in the box, as you guys can see. So I'm going to slot the box over to the side. So yeah, this is the case. Definitely really good material. It's got a carry holder. This will end up staying in the car in case something does go wrong, but I'll make sure to keep it charged and whatnot. So, open the case, and that's, hang on, sorry guys. Open the case up, and that is what you're greeted with when you first open it. So you've got this, which is the product overview and button instructions, so the pamphlet to let you know what's what. We'll get into that a little bit later. And then underneath that, take the rubber thing off of it, is the actual device itself. So slide the sleeve off. So yeah, this is the portable jump charger, which is going to be used for the vehicle because the battery isn't charged enough to operate. So yeah, not bad. I gather that part is a torch. And then you've got a few things on the back. Have a pause, have a read if you want, if you can. And then you've got the little cover on the other side, which, yeah, has two Type C's and a Type A, which is beautiful. And then you've also got the, well, on this side, you've got another tab. You pull on that, and that's to obviously power the device itself. And by the looks of it, that is it. So yeah, nifty little device. And then on the other side of the thing, underneath the Velcro, I would assume we have the, yes, okay, beautiful, alright. Alright, so on the other side of the packets, we've got, if I can get them out, so this is what you connect to the vehicle, obviously, and this, if I can pull it off, that is what you plug into that port there, and then obviously it turns it on and charges the battery so that you can turn the battery, well, turn the car over via that way. And we also have two, so we've got one Type C to Type C cable and one Type A to Type C, which is beautiful. It's always good when they include things like that. so then you don't have to go and do it yourself. All right, on this side it's got a bit of a pull tab, so I'm gonna pull that quickly. Okay, I don't know what that's done, but I guess we're gonna find out. All right, so on the back of this it says press to power on, press for 3 seconds, then press each time for flashlight, SOS, strobe lights, press for 3 seconds during the light mode to turn the light off, automatically powers off after 45 seconds of non-use, press the boost button for 3 seconds to activate the boost starting feature when the battery level is less than 2 volts. Okay. So, yeah, plug, clamp, and into the port with icon below. Connect red clamp to, yep, that's just basic stuff. Wait for the solid green light, green ready light, start engine. Yeah, right. So it's more or less pretty self-explanatory, but yeah, so you get the actual device itself, you get the carrying case, which comes with the terminals, 2 USB cables. Like I said, one is Type C to Type C, the other is Type A to Type C, which is awesome. And yeah, that's more or less all you need. So that is that. Very happy with the purchase, and it's actually how I managed to get the car to work before. So I used another device similar to this, and yeah, worked out that the car cranks, but it doesn't start, which I believe might have something to do with one of the leads being in the wrong spot. So I've switched that over and hopefully plug that up, and it will hopefully turn over, because there's no reason to why it shouldn't. But yeah, anyway, I'll do a full video covering all that stuff at a later date. So yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like, share, subscribe, turn notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.